Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a complete, step-by-step method for how to make money promoting Digistore24 products on Facebook. Let's get started. Making money through affiliate marketing on Facebook is a powerful strategy because you have direct access to billions of potential customers who are already gathered in communities based on their interests. The key is to move beyond spammy link dropping and instead connect with people in a genuine, conversational way, recommending products that directly solve problems they already know they have. In this detailed guide, I'll walk you through the exact scalable process, from strategically choosing the right low-cost, high-converting product on Digistore24 to using a targeted, relationship-based approach to reach highly interested people within Facebook groups. This method focuses on building trust through real one-on-one conversations that can lead to consistent daily earnings. We'll cover every single detail: product research, link preparation, audience targeting, and messaging scripts to ensure you understand exactly how to implement this effectively and start seeing results. First, you need to be logged into your Digistore24 affiliate account. I'm assuming you already have a free account set up. If not, that's the very first step, and you can find many tutorials on that. Once you're logged in, navigate directly to the marketplace from your dashboard. This is your product library, filled with hundreds of digital offers. Your success with Facebook hinges almost entirely on your product selection strategy. On Facebook, people are often in a social, relaxed mindset. Scrolling through their feed, they are much more likely to make a quick, impulse purchase for something that feels like an immediate, affordable solution to a nagging problem. Therefore, you must be strategic and avoid promoting very expensive, high-consideration products like advanced business courses or intricate software suites priced at $300, $500, or more. These rarely work for this direct messaging method. Instead, you need to look for digital products in a specific sweet spot, a lower price range, typically between $10 and $50. These are priced for an easy, low-risk decision that someone can make without overthinking. To find these winners, take your time browsing the marketplace. Use the category filters on the left to drill down into specific interests like health and fitness, weight loss, personal development, or hobbies. As you browse, pay extremely close attention to the listed commission and the conversion data. Look for products where you can earn a solid, worthwhile commission on that low price point. A great example is a product like the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. It might have an average commission of $23 per sale on a $37 product. That's a perfect target, excellent value for you, and an accessible price for the customer. Click on the product title to get to its detailed page. Here, do your due diligence. Briefly review the sales page, watch the vendor's video, and check for any available affiliate marketing materials like banners or email swipes. You want to ensure the sales page looks professional, trustworthy, and is likely to convert a visitor into a buyer. Promoting a quality product protects your credibility. Once you've chosen your product, click the prominent Promote This Product or TOOM deal. Get Affiliate Link button. A pop-up will appear with your unique, trackable affiliate link. This link contains special code that ensures all sales generated through it are credited to your account. Copy this link to your clip. Now, this direct Digistore24 link is often very long, filled with parameters, and can look cluttered, spammy, or even slightly untrustworthy when pasted into a private Facebook message. To make it cleaner, more professional, and easier to share, it's a smart and simple move to shorten it. Open a new tab in your browser and go to a free, reliable link shortening service like tinyurl.com or bit.ly.com. For this example, we'll use tinyurl. Paste your long, complex affiliate link into the designated field on their homepage. These services often allow you to create a custom alias. This is a powerful step. Instead of a random string of letters, Create something simple, memorable, and relevant. For our keto meal plan, you could create a custom link like tinyurl.com/keto recipes now or bit.ly easy keto plan. This creates a short, neat, curiosity-provoking link that is much more clickable and professional for sharing. Copy this new shortened link. This is the final link you will share with potential customers. Now, we move to the core of the strategy, the traffic source, Facebook. The method is not about making public posts in groups, which is often immediate. Both Facebook make fun of that. It's all changes in mind. Instead, we're going to use a more personal, direct, and effective approach. In the Facebook search bar at the very top of your screen, type in the primary keyword related to your product. Since our example is a keto meal plan, we would search for keto, keto diet, or keto recipes. After you hit enter, immediately click on the grouped filter tab just below the search bar. This refines your results to show only Facebook groups related to this topic. You will now see a list of public groups, often with tens or even hundreds of thousands of members, such as keto and low-carb easy recipes, or keto for beginners. These groups are gold mines because they are filled with people who have voluntarily joined a community centered on your product's exact topic. Open 5 to 10 of the largest, most active groups in new browser tabs. Within each group, you need to find the people who are most receptive right now. Click on the members link or section within the group. Once the member list loads, look for a way to sort or filter the list. You are specifically, crucially, looking for people who have recently joined the group within the last few minutes, hours, or days. These individuals have just taken an active step to engage with the keto topic, meaning it is at the forefront of their mind. They are highly targeted, warm, far more likely to be interested in your related offer than a random person or a long-time member who may no longer be active. You will see a list of new members with helpful timestamps like joined 44 seconds ago or joined 5 minutes ago. Click on a person's name to open their profile in a new tab. Please be respectful and note, you should only message people whose privacy settings allow them to receive messages from non-friends. Look for and click the message button to open a private chat window. This is where your skill and approach make all the difference. Do not, under any circumstances, send your affiliate link in the first message. That is a sure way to be ignored, marked as spam, or all of those messages are aligned with a sense of sex of concern and will encourage the feelings of sex striking and breakthrough. Your first message must start a genuine, low-pressure conversation. Since you both now share a verifiable common interest, the group you're both in, use that as your natural, friendly opener. For example, hey, name. I noticed you just joined the Keto Group name group. Welcome. I joined a little while back and have found some really helpful tips in there. How's your keto journey going so far? Your goal is to be helpful, authentic, and build a bit of rapport. If they respond positively and engage, continue the conversation naturally. Ask a follow-up question about their goals or challenges. After a few friendly, relevant exchanges, once you've established a bit of trust, you can smoothly transition to the product. Because you've connected over a shared interest, your recommendation will feel like friendly advice from a peer, not a cold sales pitch. You could say something like, "That's great. Sticking with it is the hardest part. I actually found this comprehensive keto meal plan a few weeks ago, and it totally took the guesswork out of what to cook. It has a ton of quick recipes that helped me stay on track. If you'd like, I can send you the link so you can check it out for yourself." If they agree, and many will, because you've built curiosity and trust, then, and only then, do you send your prepared, shortened, tiny URL link to the product. This method CAS is about quality conversations over mass, impersonal spamming. By dedicating time to message 50 to 100 new group members per day in this manner, you can have dozens of conversations running simultaneously. Even with a conservative conversion rate, if you get just 3 to 5 sales a day from a product with a $23 commission, you're looking at potential earnings of $70 to $115 plus per day. Consistency in this process is absolutely key. Set aside dedicated time blocks each day to find new group members and engage in these conversations. To scale this effectively and save time, especially in creating engaging content to share or even short, authentic video testimonials, many top affiliate marketers leverage AI content tools. For instance, a platform like Pictory.ai can be incredibly useful. If you want to create a quick, compelling 30-second video about your positive experience with the keto plan to share in Messenger or on your own profile for social proof, Pictory.ai can turn a simple text script into a professional-looking video, with visuals, music, and a voiceover in minutes. This adds tremendous credibility and production value to your recommendation, making you stand out. You can find a link to try Pictory.ai in the description below to explore how it can enhance your promotional efforts.